Excuse me.
You again.
Oh, hi. Is this your workshop?
Yep. I'm sorry. What are you doing here?
I'm supposed to meet Toby.
I told you he was out of town.
I know, but I just got a text from him and he told me to meet him here 2 hours ago.
I don't know what to tell you. I haven't seen her.
Did you see a blonde come through here?
Nobody's come through here in the last few hours.
I just saw her. She was wearing a red coat.
Look, no Toby, no girl in a red coat, and no unicorns either. Sorry, Emily.
How do you know my name?
Because you told me earlier.
No, I didn't.
I gotta get back to work.